We are back and Hotwire has all the latest and most sensational gossip from B-Town today. Karan Johar's trouble doesn't seem to end anytime soon. Have you guys heard this? Apparently, 3 steamy scenes between Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Ranbir Kapoor have been deleted from Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. वैसे after the controversy around Fawad Khan, we doubt Karan will have objections to anything as long as the film is released. No, Karan?
मैं बस अपनी गट पे जाता हूँ और उसके बाद छोड़ देता हूँ.
बॉलीवुड में हॉलीवुड का क्रेज इज क्वाइट ऑब्वियस. कुछ एक्टर्स ब्लिंक एंड मिस रोल्स से खुश हो जाते हैं एंड सम सेटल देयर फॉर गुड. बट देयर आर फ्यू अदर्स हु आर क्वाइट ऑनेस्ट अबाउट देयर ऑब्सेशन विद हॉलीवुड.
कोई किरदार के बारे में किरदार को दिखाने के लिए आया हूँ. आप प्लीज आइए, फिल्म देखिए और किरदार समझिए मेरा, और आपको जो समझ में आता है मुझे भी समझाइए.
Heard that? That's Irfan Khan at the premiere of his Hollywood film Inferno, जहां बॉलीवुड के सारे wannabes कैप्चर हुए. We hope इरफान का रोल ऑडियंस को समझ आए just like he wishes. Karan Johar surely needs a break from all the madness happening around his film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And who better than friends to chill with away from controversies? Check out the latest dinner party Karan had with his girlfriends, Kareena, Malaika and others. We wonder who the hot topic at this dinner party was.
You want me to elaborate? I don't think so.
Sonam Kapoor seems to be trying her best to break the fashionista, glam doll image and invite some controversy soon. Listen to the latest sensational remarks Sonam has made on her co-stars in Bollywood. I've never been attracted to my co-stars. That's why I have such a good chemistry with them, because I never had sex with them. Looks like Sonam has learned the tricks to be in news even when her movies aren't doing that.
I don't know, मुझे अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बात करने में अच्छा नहीं लगता. मुझे I feel weird.
Neil Nitin Mukesh is all set to tie the knot soon. That's not news. You know what the real news is? The actor is being trolled on social media for his wedding plans also. Apart from being laughed at for movies and work, the groom-to-be has become the most trending joke lately. Hard luck to all three, Neil, Nitin, Mukesh.
For me, up till now, only prayers have always worked, and so I wish that all of you all pray for me and wish me all the best.
SRK and Alia have now backed off from being the first guests on Coffee with Karan in this season. And guess who has replaced them? Arjun Kapoor and Varun Dhawan. Ab Arjun ko last minute replacement rakhna is quite obvious. But Varun is trying to be a really good student to his godfather in Bollywood. No, Varun?
Like, I want to make my dad proud. Karan is some person I want to make proud as well.
Akshay Kumar has revealed the secret about his relationship with wife Twinkle. Normally, Akshay लोगों का मजाक उड़ाने के लिए famous है. But do you know what he's also being made fun of quite often? Don't believe us? Check this. At Mrs. Funny Bones is back with what she does best. Aside from making jokes about me, writing funny and wise stories. Hashtag the legend of Lakshmi Prasad. Now we know who inspires the Khiladi to be funny all the time. Cute, na?
भगवान की कसम है, आज शादी मत करना बेटे.
Kangana Ranaut will once again play the role that only she can pull off lately. Yes, she's playing a divorcee in her upcoming film Simran, which highlights the issues faced by divorced women. Wow, Kangana, if you keep going strong with breakup messages in personal and professional life, Bollywood की next agony aunt का title आपके लिए fixed है.
तो अभी मैंने ये वर्ड मेरी सिस्टर ने मुझे सिखाया, no comments.
Wait till we return with more updates on your favorite movies and stars on Hotwire.